Now here we're subtracting mixed numbers. So first we have 3 and 5/6 minus 1 and 2/3. But we know that to subtract fractions we need the denominators to be the same. So we need to find a fraction equivalent to 2/3 which has a denominator of 6. So we can rewrite our question as 3 and 5/6 minus 1 and 4/6. That's equivalent to 2/3 because 3 times 2 is 6 and 2 times 2 is 4. Now that we have our common denominator, we see if we can subtract the fraction. So we have 5/6 minus 4/6. That gives us 1/6 in our answer, and then we look at our whole numbers. We have 3 minus 1, which is 2, so our answer is 2 and 1/6. Now we have 2 and a half minus 1 and 1/8. Again, we need the denominators to be the same, so instead of 2 and 1/2, we can write 2 and 4/8. That's equivalent to 1/2 because 2 times 4 is 8 and 1 times 4 is 4. Now we're subtracting 1 and 1/8. So first we see if we can subtract the fraction, and here we can do 4/8 minus 1/8 because the fraction we're subtracting is smaller. If it isn't, then we'll need to use a different method, but we'll come on to that on the next video. 4/8 minus 1/8 is 3/8, and 2 minus 1 is 1, so our answer is 1 and 3/8. So let's look at what we did here. We started with 3 and 5/6. We needed to subtract 1 and 2/3, but we found that 2/3 is the same as 4/6. So if I colour in 4 of those sixths in yellow, you can see that's the same as 2/3. We were also taking away 1 whole, and that left us with our answer of 2 wholes and 1/6 left in blue here. Then we had 2 and 1/2. We saw that 2 and a half is the same as 2 and 4/8. So we were subtracting 1/8, then we subtracted 1 whole, and that left us with 1 and 3/8 as our answer.